Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw USD from Wise to GCash or Maya. So step 1, log into your Wise account and go to your balances. Step 2, convert your USD balance into PHP using the built-in currency exchange. Step 3, go to recipients and add a new recipient. Step 4, for GCash, select Philippines and choose GCash as the mobile wallet option. And then, Step 5. Enter the recipient's name, GCash registered number, and save it. And now step 6 for Maya. Follow the same steps but choose Pay Maya instead of GCash. Step 7. Go back to your PHP balance and click Send. Step 8. Select your GCash or Maya recipient and confirm the amount and then click Continue. Step 9. Review the transfer details and hit Confirm. And now, your Wise funds are on the way to your GCash or PayMaya wallet. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.